Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a free WordPress website with free hosting step by step. So without any delay, let's get started. To begin, first go to pantheon.io and sign up for a free account using your email or Google credentials. Once signed in, click on the Create a New Site button. Choose WordPress as your site and give your website a name and select your region. Once submitted, the platform will start deploying your new site. After a short wait, you will be directed to your Pantheon site dashboard. From here, click on Visit Development Site at the top left corner. Pantheon will prompt you for some basic information about your site. Provide details such as your website's title, username, password, and then click Install WordPress to finish the setup. Now that you are in the WordPress dashboard, you can start customizing your site. Head to Appearance and choose Editor to explore a range of free templates. Select a template that suits your vision and feel free to personalize it further to make your website unique. This is how you can actually create a free WordPress website with free hosting. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.